This is the new Range Rover Sport. It's faster, more agile and lighter than ever before. And we're going to put it through its paces with a series of very quick tests. Yes, it is. Yes, it's very, very quick. Yes! Very grippy. Right. Drive. God. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the scariest thing I've ever done in my life. I actually feel sick. I feel really...
It's fine, yeah, fine.
No, I feel really sick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Straight? What's that mean? Straight.
Now pull.
This is the scariest thing. Why is it making that noise? I really don't like this. I really, really don't like this. There's a car right next to me. I nearly swore then. What's that mean, straight? I actually feel sick. We're in a plane. I really don't want to do this. I seriously don't want to. I am watching you. Please, please save my life. Oh my god! This is so scary. I'd love to see Batch do this. Oh my god! We're going into first class. Brake. Oh, okay.
Release the brake now. Enjoy that.
That was the scariest thing I've ever done in my life. Seriously, that is really, really, really scary. That is really scary.
Can it drive through a plane?
Yes, it can, John. Yes, it can.